Good afternoon. We're gonna make just a long black, and it's El Salvador. So first we're going to heat up a shot glass. That should do it. Then get a mug that I got from South Dakota that has my name on it. And heat that up a little. Okay. Now I take that back. We're gonna do the India. This stuff I had frozen, and still seems like it works pretty good for being frozen. Wasn't much left, but I had frozen for about 2 months. Now I'm gonna weigh some. I got too much. I have 19, 17.1. I'm gonna make it 17.5 grams. There we go. Maybe it's a little ridiculous doing it that way, but that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna grind it on the machine, and got the grinder setting at number 4 on the outside setting. And now we're going to grind it. Does a pretty good job grinding it. Should be almost done. Yep, just about done. Tap it a few times to get all the excess out. And now we're going to weigh it. And we got 17.2 out of 17.5. So we're like about 3 grams off. I'm going to pump it some more just to make sure we got it all out. No, 17.2, so I lost 3 grams someplace. Anyways, now we're going to take the filter basket, dry it up because it's nice and hot, what you want. Then we'll take the funnel, put that on there. Then we're going to dump it in there and hopefully we don't spill it. Now we take my special tool that I made up with 5 needles on it to break up the clumps, which does a real good job doing that, with a cork lid on it. Tap it a few times. Kind of, I have to rake it a little bit now, as they call it. There. Tap it again. Take our wood block with my distribution tool, spread it around, flip it over, and then we tap it down. And it looks nice. Now we'll take our puck screen, get it wet so it's hot, because we want nothing cold in there. And it's hot. Dump it in there. Put it in there. Line it up. Take our timer. And then we're gonna push the 2 cups, flip the clock, and it infuses for about 11 seconds, 9, 10, 11, that should start. Yep, it's at about 12 o'clock pressure, which is good. We're at 20 seconds, 22 seconds, 26 seconds, 29, 30 seconds. Perfect. And now we're going to take our mug, dump out the water in it. We're going to make a long black, which is like Americana, except you put the water in first. And while we're waiting for that, we're going to stir a little bit. And got nice foam on here. Very nice foam. It's hot. Tastes good though. Got a little sweetness to it. Put a little bit more in. There. And now we'll dump our shot in there. And then we're going to stir it up. Wipe that down. Then we'll take the portafilter out and then we'll dump it. And see, it's nice and clean. Does a real good job, that puck filter thing. Put it back in here. Take this and rinse it off a little. There. Let that drip dry. And we are done. Got a nice cup of long black, like Americana. It just looks good. And that's my afternoon coffee.